So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'm going to show you top 6 Android apps that you should not download on your smartphone. These apps are all available in Play Store but still not good to your phone. It will cause you loss of data, privacy issues, and also drain of battery and some other add issue also to your phone. So here is my list on the top 6 Android apps that you should not download in your smartphone. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe me and also like this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe me, and also let's go into the list. So the first app in the list is UC Browser. So UC Browser has more than 500 million downloads in Play Store, but still it has been complaining for leaking out data recently. So it has been sending files to countries like China and India. That's not a big issue, but they send file alls without any encryption added to that. And also it has been sending files to places like Alibaba analytical tools, but they are not encrypted, so they can be hacked at any time when they receive and get all these files. So if you're more concerned about your privacy, I think this app is not for you to install, so uninstall this app right now. So the second app in the list is CleanIt. So this is an app in Play Store where you can save space from your smartphone if you don't have enough storage. This has more than 10 million downloads in Play Store, but still it is complained for many issues that it creates because it deletes all your cache memory what's stored in your smartphone. So cache memory is usually help to make your apps move faster. So if you delete all these cache memories like how CleanIt does, you're gonna lose your smartphone's speed. And this app has been asking permission to record videos and also take pictures. Why does an storage cleaning app need all these access? Because these applications steal your data from your phone, so better not to install apps like this to your smartphone. So the third app in the list is Music Player. So this is a music playing app in Play Store. So there's many complaints that more data is being consumed by this app. It's about more than 1 GB to 2 GB of data has been consumed by this app because of the lot of ads, and some people also have doubts whether these apps steals smartphone data and sends to other servers. And also there's a big issue created in this that it consumes battery so much, so that it drains the battery so much. So it's better not installing these kinds of app which kills your smartphone's battery and performance. So better not to install this app also. So the next app is Dolphin Browser. So the Dolphin Browser has been complaining that it is even recording all your incognito files in your phone. So if you're moving through incognito, but actually it should not save any histories what you go through in incognito, but still it saves all the incognito files and sends to other servers and countries without any encryption. So better not to install apps like this to your smartphone. So the fifth app in the list is Dio Battery Saver. So it claims, the Dio Battery Saver app claims that it can fast charge your phone, but it's utter lie. An app does not have the ability to charge how fast your phone device charges. So this is also a way of advertising. So, and also it has so many ads in the smartphone. When you unlock your smartphone, always the ad comes. So better not to install apps like this. And also there is fancy graphics and cool animations. They are all totally fake. So apps like this don't work, and they don't save any of your battery. They just only drain your battery by working in the background. So the next app is Clean Master. Firstly, it's made by Cheetah Mobile. As we referred before, they are the company re-owned for packaging ads, bloatwares and neck screens into their apps. Secondly, it does not have anything useful because RAM saving apps were valuable once upon a time, but the Android system has developed so much that they are merely hydrants. Android now has its own native handler for assigning RAM and ensuring it's all being used in the most optimal way. In many cases, it even deliberately keeps RAM loaded to help performance. So actually the app does not work at all. So there is no use of having apps like this in your smartphone. So better not to install all those apps and never uninstall these apps if you are using it right now.